So today's video lesson, we are going to be taking the logarithm part 2. If you have not watched my previous videos on the laws of logarithm from law 1 to law 6, please go back and search for that video, okay? Because in today's class, we are going to be looking at law number 7 of logarithm. And the law is equations in logarithm. That is, there are some logarithmic problems that result to a linear equation or quadratic equation or simultaneous equation, okay, as the case may be. So we are going to look at this law before we begin to solve problems in today's class. First of all, how does the law of logarithm result to an equation? Look at this, class. If I say that log a base b is equals to x, it becomes equation in logarithm because of this equal to. And whenever you have a problem in logarithm like this, it should be converted into indices by simply applying law number 7 of logarithm. Now, let's quickly convert it from logarithm to what? To indices. And how do we do that? Very easy. Simply take the number here, x, and make it the power of the base. Then the base become equal to the number a, so that we have, take this x and put here, you have b raised to the power of x. Then this b raised to the power of x become equals to the what now? A. You are transform it from logarithm into what? Indices. Let's take another example. If I have log something like 8 raised to the power of x plus 2 base 2 equals to x itself. For instance, what did I say? What's the law saying? Take this x so that it becomes the power of this 2. Then it will now become equals to this number. You have converted it from logarithm into what? Indices. So you have take this x and put here. You have 2 raised to the power of x equals to this 8 raised to the power of x plus 2. Then you can solve from here using the exponential equation law. How do we solve from here? Thereafter. Now, you have 2 raised to the power of x equals to, don't forget that 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. Yes, so that you have 2 raised to the power of 3 bracket the power that was there before, which is x plus 2. Do you understand? Now, so what do we simply do? The base here, which is 2, can do what? Cancel the other base, which is 2. So that you are left with x equals to 3 bracket x plus 2. Then you can open the bracket. Now, when opening the bracket, you have x equals to 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 2, 6. This 3x will come over to this place to become minus 3x. So you have x minus 3x equals to what? 6. X minus 3x will give you minus 2x equals to 6. Then you divide both sides by what? Minus 2 minus 2. This cancel this. X becomes equals to minus 3. So you can convert logarithm into indices and then use the exponential law to solve the question. Now let's take some questions for today's class. Now let's take this question. This is UNE, University Matriculation Examination 2006, number 31. How do you solve this question? Just like I told you, whenever you have an equal to sign in any logarithmic problem, know that it has to do with equations in logarithm. But before we do that, let's examine this question quickly. This is log 270 base a minus log 10 base a plus log 1 over 3 base a equals to what? Equals to 2. Now, I hope you have not forgotten our previous lesson in the laws of logarithm. Okay, so you have log 270 base a minus log 10 base a plus log 1 over 3 base a equals to 2. So how do we do it? Very easy. Remember, say if the base not the same, as you can see on the board, if the base not the same, you go pick one of the base. But if you have minus, you will divide. And if you have plus, you will times. So you are going to get equals to log of base A. Now, this is 270 minus 10. You have 270 divided by 10. Whenever there is minus, you divide. Then this place when you have plus, you times the 1 over 3. So times 1 over 3. Okay, equals to weighting now 2. Very easy. How do we do it? This 0 now, if you cancel this 0. As this 0 cancel this 0, you are now left with 1 over 3 and 27 over 1. This guy now, 7, can count 27 to give you 9. So that we have log 9 base A equals to what? 2. Remember the law of logarithmic equation, that these 2 become the power of this base, then the base become equal to the weighting, the number. So we are going to say that these 2 become the power of A, becomes A raised to the power of what? 2, equals to this number, which is weighting at 9. So you have A squared equals to 9 is 3 raised to the power of weighting 2. So that 2 can cancel 2. A is equals to what? 3. That's the answer. A, B, C, or D. The answer is what? A. Let's take example number 2. Example number 2. Take a look at this question. It is also logarithmic equation. Why did I say so? Because there is equal to here. Okay? So, very easy. Don't forget that the law we did in our previous lesson told us that if you have log, please watch me carefully, log A raised to the power of x base B. Any number that is here, the power of s should be used to multiply the log. Like, it should be taken to the back. So that will give us s log A base B. So whatever number here is the one that is here. So that means you can still take this number and make it the power of this A. So any number you see at the back of log came from the number here. So how do we solve this question? Simply reverse it. For this, you have log 2 raised to the power of, take the 6 back, 6 base what? Base x. Minus log 3 raised to the power of, take the 3 back, 3 base x. Equals to log 0.2 raised to the power of 3 base 5. Don't forget, we are told to find the value of x. Very easy. Now, this will further give us log 64 base x. 2 raised to the power of 6 is what? 64. Minus log 27 base x. But how do we do this? We have to convert this guy. Yes, 0.2 has to be converted. Don't forget that if I have 0.2, I will move my point once, and that makes it to be 2 over 10. If you press 2 over 10 your calculator, you have 0.2. So if 2 go here, you have 1. If 2 go here, you have 5. So you have 1 over 5 here. So let's put it here quickly. So that will be equals to log what? 1 over 5 raised to the power of 3 base what? Base 5. Now, carefully, we still have log 64 base x minus log 27 base x equals to, please let's quickly convert 1 over 5. Do you know that 1 over 5 is the same as 1 over 5 raised to the power of 1? First of all, the 1 here is meaningless, so you can put it. And then it is now equals to 5 raised to the power of minus 1, according to the laws of indices. If I have 1 over a raised to power x, is the same as a raised to the power of minus x. So you have log 5 raised to the power of minus 1, or bracket what? 3 to base what? Base 5. Let's do this quickly. Remember in logarithm, if I have base x here, and I have base x here, and I have minus here, I will pick one of the base, and I'll divide the numbers. Okay? If I want to do that, I'll simply have this. Watch this carefully. This is log to base x, log to base x. So pick one. We have log to base x, then 64 over 27. Why are we dividing? Because of the minus. If we had plus here, we would have multiplied. So you have 64 over 27. Okay? Yeah. So equals to This 3 multiply minus 1 to give you log 5 raised to the power of minus 3 base what? Base 5. That's what we have. So what do we do now? Very easy. Watch carefully. You know that a logarithm of a number to the same base equals to 1. From our previous video, if I have log a base a, it will give us 1. So let's do this quickly. You have log 64 over 27 to base x equals to, take this minus 3 to the back, you have minus 3 log what? 5 base 5. From there, logarithm of a number to the same base is equals to what? Equals to 1. So that will make us to have log 64 over 27 to base s is equals to what's left here? Minus 3. Wow. So according to the laws of logarithm, this law number 7 will make this number to become the power of this base. Then the base become equal to the number. So we simply have x raised to the power of minus 3 is equals to 64 over 27. What do we have to do? Very easy. If I have x raised to the power of minus 3 equals to, let me do this. Don't forget that 64, this 64 that is here is 4 raised to power 3. This 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3. So we can have 4 over 3 all raised to the power of 3. We can have it this way. And if we have that, we have gotten our answer because, look at it, x raised to the power of minus 3 equals to 4 over 3 raised to the power of 3. If you want to put a negative sign here so that the power here and the power here become the same, you simply take 3 up and bring 4 down. So you have x to the power of minus 3 is equals to 3 over 4 to the power of minus 3. So that the minus 3 here can cancel minus 3. X will be equals to 3 over 4. The answer is not A, is not B, is not C. The answer is what? D. One more question before we call it a day. Now you are going to solve these questions. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. And you are going to send your answers in the comment section. But I think I should pick one from 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one should I pick now? Let me pick number 2. Let me solve number 2. Let's do number 2 quickly. 8 raised to the power of y over 4 is equals to log 16 base 2. Very easy. First of all, this guy is 2 raised to the power of 3 bracket y over 4 equals to, watch this carefully, log, your 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4 base 2. Okay, so you have 2, open this bracket, 3 times y will give you 3y over 4 equals to, don't forget any number here should be taken to the back of the log. So you have 4 log 2 base 2. The logarithm of a number to the same base equals to 1. So this guy will cancel out. You have 2 raised to the power of 3y over 4 equals to what? 4. So what do we do here? You have 2 raised to the power of 3y over 4 equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. Wow. So we can use this to cancel this. So what do we have now? We have 3y over 4 equals to 2, which is this 2 over 1. So we can cross multiply so that 3y will give us 4 times 2, 8. Then we divide both sides by what? 3. So this cancel this. Y is equals to 8 over 3. So the answer to number 2 is 8 over 3. Please send your answers to me in the comment section. Number 1, 3, and number 4. Anyone you find difficult, please send it in the comment section, okay? Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and on your notification bell so that whenever we come online, to get across to you. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.